A single bad habit, which you spend just some minutes doing, can destroy months, if not years of your life. And a single good habit, which you will spend just some minutes doing, can turn you into a whole new person in just some months, if not days. There's a lot of information out there about how to remove a habit, how to destroy a habit, how to destroy your addictions. There are a lot of videos out there. And I've also made a video on it. But there are so much less content on how to make a new habit, how to build a new habit. We all take New Year resolutions that will go to gym daily, or that will read daily, or that will journal daily, but we do not do it. We do it for some days and then we leave it. So, in this video, I will tell you how to make a habit. But first, we need to destroy your ego. Because if you are egoistic, then you will not be able to build a new habit. Because you think that you are above that habit. You want to learn everything in one day. You want to go to the gym and do a 1 hour workout. In your first day, you want to read a whole chapter of that book in the first day. You cannot. You are at level 0. You have to first go to level 1, then level 2, then level 3. And then only you can go to that level where you want to be. So first, let's start with level 1. So let me tell you with an example. For example, I want to build a habit of reading daily. So what I will do is on the first day, for example, if I keep my books on this table right here. So what I will do is on the first day, I will come to the book, I will pick up the book, I will put it down. And that is all I will do on the first day. And on the second day, I will pick up the book, I will read what it says on the page, and I will put it down. That's all. And on the third day, I will pick up the book, I will open the book, I will close the book, and I will put it down. On the fourth day, I will open the book, I will read the first word, close the book, and I will put it down. On the fifth day, I will pick up the book, I will open the book, I will read the first sentence, and then I will put it down. On the second day, I will read 2 sentences. On the third day, I will read 5 sentences. And on the next day, I will read a whole page. And then on the next day, I will read 2 pages. And so on and so on and so on. And that is how I will slowly go from level 0 to where I want to be. And same goes for every other habit. If I want to start going to gym, on the first day, I will wake up, fill the water bottle, put it in my bag, and that's all. And on the next day, I will pick my bag up, I will hang it, and then I will sit down again. On the next day, I will pick my bag up, go to the main gate of my house, get out, and then I will come back. On the fourth day, I will go to the entrance of the gym, and then I will come back. On the next day, I will go inside the gym, and then I will come back. On the next day, I will go inside the gym, pick up a dumbbell, put it down, and then I will come back. On the next day, I will do 1 exercise. On the next day, I will do 3 sets of that exercise. And on the next day, 2 exercises and 3 exercises, and so on and so forth. And that is how I will build a habit of going to the gym. I know that this method will take you a lot of time building that habit. But to see how many months, how much time you have wasted just coping and saying that, yeah, I will do it one day. You must have wasted more time than it will take you to build the habit in this way. So just go, keep your ego aside and become your dream self.